Hello, hello. Today we are going to make a bird. So are you excited? Well, so am I. This bird looks so cute. So let's take our pencil and start following our steps to make it. At first, we are going to start with the face of our bird. Yes, by making a very light circle. After that, let's take our scale and make this slanting line starting from the face till the end. And then we need to make the letter P. Can we make this together? This looks beautiful. Let's make it a little fat so that it looks like the body. And after that, let's make this tail at the bottom. And well, let's make this beautiful wing by making a small curve inside. Wow, this looks beautiful. Can we erase all the overlapping parts now? Which is this curved line and this slanting line. That's lovely. After that, we will make the eyes and then the legs. This looks amazing. Now comes the fun part. We will start sketching this. Always remember, you cannot overlap two sketch pen marks together. So, always start from where you stop. Make this curved line beautifully. And then the beak. Use the tip of your sketch pen to make smaller parts like the beak. And then let's make these cute little legs. And look, our bird is ready. Can we erase the extra pencil marks we see? And then start coloring. Yes, let's take a yellow color for the body. We will go slow and start by doing the outline. And then color in one direction. Yes, in a curved line. Complete coloring this nicely. And do not keep any white spaces. Once we are done with the body, let's take an ochre color and do the wings and the tail. Well, it is alright if you do not have the exact same shade. This is the creative process and you can take the color closest to the one mentioned in the book. Let's do the tail nicely now. This is amazing. Let's take grey color for the eyes and the beak. And look at that. Our bird is ready to fly.